Okay, the drink we're about to make is called Stone Fence. Let's go ahead and take a glass and fill it up with ice. And we're going to measure out 2 ounces of whiskey. Any whiskey will do. There's 1 and 2. And now we're going to follow that up with some apple cider. You can just go ahead and fill it up with your apple cider. And we're going to add 2 dashes of bitters. There we go. Now let's go ahead and stir it up. Now you can make this drink with whiskey as I did, and you can also use bourbon or even scotch on this drink. Kind of up to you, so that's nice. Get some freedom in making the Stone's Fence. All right, go ahead and give it a straw. And if you really want to garnish it with something, you can garnish it with an orange to go with the orange bitters. That is a Stone Fence, bottoms up.